Before the high school came together, there were 3 different high schools on the island, fiercely independent.
We just loved our little town. We wanted to not lose that identity.
What it is now with MDI and Ellsworth is what it was back then was Mount Desert, Bar Harbor, Southwest, Tremont. It was quite a rivalry.
That there was a very strong minority that didn't want the Island High School.
My mother always said the reason that they created the regional high school is because Bar Harbor needed a new high school.
It was my understanding that there was one community on the island that was kind of holding things up.
God bless Pematech.
We all were kind of thrown into this melting pot together.
It was almost like a mini civil war, you know, because you had all these towns that for the years, through generations, had a strong rivalry against each other. And all of a sudden now you're putting them in the same school and you had to coexist with them.
I really believe, myself personally, that the high school basketball season was the first unifying action that the school had that really brought everybody together.
It was sort of ironic in the sense it was sports that kept it apart, but yet it was sports that brought it together.
Getting started, it was an awkward period, I believe, but look how far we've come.